guys, welcome back to another Sunday tutorial. In this video today, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how you can crop an image using Corel Draw 2021. Right? If you don't know how to do that, don't panic, because I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on how you can crop an image using Corel Draw 2021. Please, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, subscribe to my channel by hitting on the subscribe button below, then turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Alright, like I said, that I will show you step by step guide how you can crop an image using Corel Draw 2021. Okay, what do I mean by cropping? Okay, now you have an image and the image is too wide and too long, too height, and you don't want to use it like that. You want to short the image. So that's what I'm going to show you right here in this video. Okay, now let me get started. What I will do now is to import the image that I want to crop. All right, I can click import. I can use the shortcut, which is Ctrl+I, or I can do drag and drop, but let me do drag and drop. Okay, so I'll go to my file explorer here and drag the image to my Corel Draw. Okay, drag the image to my Corel Draw. You can see how the image is. You can see the height and the weight. So I don't want to use the height like this. What I'll do now is to crop it from here now, from here to here. So what I'll do now is to click this crop tool. This is the crop tool. So I'll select it, then start from here. Alright, then after selecting it, I'll now click crop. Alright, it's out. The remaining this one now is out. So but I want to remove this one entirely and leave the image. Okay, so what I'll do now, let me press Ctrl Z to bring out the image. So what I'll do now, since I want to have only this picture, I want to crop it from here. I'll use my crop tool and crop from here. Right, it's out. Can you see now? So I can crop here again. So I will use my crop tool. Use my crop tool and crop like this, like this, like this. Okay, this is how I want the picture is. Okay, now let me bring the original picture to show you how it is. Can you see now? This is the one I have cropped already, and this is the original picture. So guys, this is how you can crop an image using Corel Draw 2021. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up and go to the comment section and comment I love this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now by hitting on the subscribe button below, then turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.